Making videos for candidates can appear intimidating, but it's actually quite easy. Let me guide you on how to do it and share an example by the end. First, just start introducing yourself. Tell your name, role, and organization. Afterwards, go for a simple hook to get your audience attention. A template that you can use is I'm looking for a person to insert the main goal of the position to join me as name of the position. You can then set the expectations of the candidate by sharing three things that they can expect from the position, as well one of the main challenges. Finish it off with a strong call to action asking the candidate to apply. Now, let's go for the example. Hi, my name is Peter. I'm the head of product here at MVP Software, and I'm looking for someone to join our team to enable our expansion to new markets as our new customer success manager. For this role, you can expect a lot of freedom to pursue the goals as you see fit. You can expect close connection with the product team, putting the customer first, and you can expect to work from anywhere. This is a fully remote role. As this is a new position in the organization, there is a lot of trailblazing to be done, both internally and externally. If you want to be part of a growth journey and the position sounds exciting, please apply. I look forward to seeing your application.